almost done. Right now I mean the header file. We still have some static text inside our template, such as the title, our favicon, the logo, and we also have static text in our logo. We need to make this dynamic. First, let's tackle the title. WordPress provides a simple function called WP Title, which is actually hookable, but more on this later. This function will generate the title for the current page the user is on. We also need to make sure WordPress knows we support dynamic titles. We can use the add theme support function and pass in the string title tag. Next, let's change the logo. I'm going to introduce a new function called blog info parentheses. This function takes in a string, which is what piece of information about our blog we want. In the resources section of this lecture, I provide a link to more info about this function. If we look at what we can get past, the first one is name, which returns the name of the site. So let's pass that in and see what we can get. Great, we get our site name. Also, our title tags are updating accordingly. This section is basically finished, but our theme is definitely not. At this point, you should have a strong understanding of how templating works. In the next few lectures, we're going to start working on few things like making these social icons dynamic. Or how about our logo? Not everyone wants to use a text logo. We'll talk about uploading and setting a logo. Lastly, we'll take a look at making our footer dynamic as well. Most of these features will involve more of the back end. Things are going to get a little tricky as we're going to be handling a little more of the logic instead of letting WordPress do it for us. Hopefully you're ready. I'll see you in the next section.